Evaporated milk is a cow's milk product whereby about 60% of the water has been removed from fresh milk. In order to make your own evaporated milk, you need fresh milk or whole milk or raw milk or pasteurized milk. First, pour all your whole milk into your cooking pot. It would be very good if you have heavy cooking pot, but don't worry if you don't have it. If you don't have heavy cooking pot, don't worry. You just have to pay attention until asiebeshi. After switching on the fire, put the stirring ladle beside the cooking pot for occasionally stirring. Once it starts boiling, reduce the temperature drastically. I use number 9 on my stove for boiling it. After it had started boiling, I reduced the temperature to number 5 on the stove. After reducing the temperature, continue to stir it occasionally, otherwise it would burn. Some people call this type of milk ideal milk, carnation milk, pig milk. Preparing this type of milk needs time. While the milk is being cooked on a low temperature, you can decide to eat, dance, go out for break, or do anything meaningful to beat the time while the water is being evaporated from the milk. When the water in the milk has been evaporated, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. The truth of its color, quantity, and the smell or the taste. After being convinced that your evaporated milk is ready, remove it from the fire and let it cool down. After cooling it down, I'm going to put it back inside the original bottle that I pour it from. If you finish your evaporated milk and you put it back inside the original bottle and you realize that the evaporated milk is more than half of the original milk, then you need to watch this video again and start it all over again. After evaporating one full whole milk of this bottle, this is what I got from the evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is used for many purposes. Use it for your purpose and the rest put it inside your fridge. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe, like and comment.